Love Island presenters Laura Whitmore and Iain Stirling welcomed their first child after their secret wedding back in 2021. Here's everything we know about the youngster. 3. Laura Whitmore gave birth to her first child in March 2021. Credit, Splash News. When was Laura Whitmore's baby born? Laura, 36, and Iain, 34, welcomed their little one in March 2021. They haven't announced the baby's exact birthday but shared a picture of the youngster in April 2021. Laura captioned the image, "Thanks for all the kind messages at this time. We are in love." The couple's happy news came soon after Laura and Iain secretly got married in Dublin in November 2020. The pair's couple goals relationship goes way back to 2016 when they first met, but it took them 9 months to move from talking to dating. The gender of their baby was accidentally given away when Lorraine Kelly let it slip on TV when she interviewed Laura on her show. In the interview, Lorraine refers to Laura's baby girl, to which Laura quickly responds, "Well, my baby." 3. Laura Whitmore announced the news on Instagram with this photo. Credit, Instagram.com/thewhitmore. How did Laura and Iain announce they're having a baby? In December, Laura posted a photo of a sweet baby outfit on Instagram with the caption, "I want to now share good news as it's our news to share, and I'm gonna be honest, it's starting to look like my lockdown beer belly is out of control. Iain and I are expecting a baby early 2021. It's been hard to keep such happy news quiet. Especially the times when I've had to run out of live radio to get sick in a bin or my penchant for a bowl of mashed potato in the morning. I wasn't hungover like everyone thought. In fact, I was completely sober filming the entire series of Celeb Juice, which is quite the accolade. We'd appreciate our privacy respected but just wanted to spread some love and a reminder of the beauty of life." 3. Laura and Iain got married in Dublin back in November 2020. Credit, Instagram. When did Laura and Iain get married? On November 11, 2020, Laura and Iain had a secret wedding. They tied the knot in a small, humanist ceremony at Dublin City Hall. They kept the wedding under wraps, until Iain was seen on loose women wearing a ring. Their wedding took place with 25 guests, which was the maximum number allowed under Ireland's Level 5 rules at the time. Laura's half-brother Adam and Iain's sister Kirsten were witnesses. A source told The Sun, "Despite circumstances not being ideal, it was such a romantic day.